Hey, in this video, I want to talk about one topic. I think this topic needs attention right now. I don't know about you, but let me tell you what's going on in this world. OpenAI introduced ChatGPT. ChatGPT basically a AI chatbot, much more than AI chatbot. Means this is just like a normal human who is talking to you. It will going to give you answer of all the questions that you will ask for. Like you have asked all these questions to a normal human. So in this video, I will talk about what are the capability of that particular chat gpt. Yeah, we will see what are the cool steps that it can do. I will also talk about disadvantage and advantage of this particular thing, so watch this video. So first we will logged inside ChatGPT website, and or we will try to ask all the possible question. Like we will ask the question about programming, we will ask data structure, question about history, and we will also going to ask them write a letter to my principal. As I said earlier, this is AI chatbot, which is basically a normal human. You can make conversation with this and it will remember what you have talked in the last communication. So this is very important for any AI. Means it is remembering your information what you have said him earlier. This is a very important thing as an AI, right? So we will see some examples what are the capabilities of this thing, right? So now we are on our browser. Simply write OpenAI. So now we are in the website of OpenAI. It says introducing ChatGPT. Let's click on API and click on login. Make account if you haven't created any account. I'll just log in because my account is already created. Continue with Google. So we are inside OpenAI and click on try it. So right now we are inside ChatGPT homepage. You can change theme as well, but theme is not that concerning. So here you can read all these things what you need to do, their policies, but skip that. I will tell you how to do such things. So let me ask any question. I have asked very simple question, that is write an code for printing palindrome number in Java. Let me see what it gave me. Oh man, and this is giving me exact answer of the question which I asked for, and it also gave me the comment, means what this line is doing. See, this is the power of ChatGPT and OpenAI. Let me ask another question. I have asked the question, tell me the time complexity of this problem. And it gave me answer again, that is big of n. So basically it will take n numbers of steps to solve this problem. Cool, right? This was very cool. Let me ask to do another problem, like so I asked ChatGPT to write a letter to my principal for 1 day leave. Let's see what it gave me. Man, this is crazy. I think this is giving me exact format of the letter. Yeah, this was very cool. See what it is doing. It is giving me all the answers which I asked for. This is not just like on Google, which gave me hundreds and thousands of answers for a one question. Let me ask another question. I have asked write an essay about AI, and without a minute it start writing. ask another question, a coding related question. I have asked how to reverse a string in Java. A string, I told you. No, a string is basically a sequence of character. And this is hilarious. This is exactly what I was looking for. Means this uses string builder. Yeah, this was the. Let me ask one history question. Yeah, this is about it. Now we have seen all the capabilities of ChatGPT, what it can do, what it cannot do, right? So now I will talk about the conclusion, what I think about this new technology. Let me ask you something. Think about a person who is 7 year old and his teacher gave him to write an essay on Mahatma Gandhi. What will he do? He will going to simply search on the Google, and it will going to take some time to make a proper good essay about Mahatma Gandhi by collecting all the information from different sources which are provided on the Google. On the other hand, what he will do is, instead of doing some research, he will simply going to write an essay on Mahatma Gandhi on the Chat GPT, and within no time it will going to give him the content about Mahatma Gandhi and essay about Mahatma Gandhi. So what will happen is, the instead of going to Google, instead of doing some research, people will be addicted to simply go and tap anything on the Chat GPT, and they will sooner going to get the result. This will going to make the people, they will not never going to like doing hard work. Another thing, think about a person who is going to give an interview, and interviewer asks him 5 questions about coding. What he will do is, he will copy that particular question and ask to Chat GPT, and Chat GPT will give him the answer. So what will happen? He will get a result, but you and I know that person was not capable of getting that such role or job. With the help of Chat GPT, he secured a job in that particular company. So what will be the future of that particular company? Think about it. So the second question is, what will happen to coders? What will happen to all the coders who are doing their job in this company? See, as I showed you earlier, that ChatGPT are doing all the things like coding, programming, making product, building any website, right? So after the fully fledged implementation of OpenAI and ChatGPT, I think coding will be obsolete. No one will like to code. Coding simply takes hours and hours to build any product. So ChatGPT does all that thing in a minute. So why people will going to code? They will prefer, instead of coding, go and write anything on the Chat GPT. These are the disadvantage of Chat GPT, which I think. I am making this video. It took me around hours and hours of practicing and researching about what topic should I make a video, and it took me around hours to make a script of any video. And Chat GPT, it simply do all these things just in no time. So it is making our life easy, but in the other hand, it is also making ourselves very lazy. As you know, we are moving toward the recession, and we have seen that lots of people lost their job right in the past. After the fully fledged implementation of such technology, I think more jobs will be lost, more people will be unemployed. Tell me, what do you think? This was about my side. Tell me things which I haven't covered in this video, and I hope you have learned something. And this was all about this video. Please share with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.